Now I got this from eBay. A couple more Hess trucks that I didn't have. Good deal. Packed up with some good heavy styrofoam. Okay, this is number one. Both the same. And here's the batteries. This is how they used to come with the batteries when you bought them in the store. Used to come in a special box. It says Hess. Now, I got a lot of these boxes saved, but the batteries were no good. Now all the new Hess trucks come with the batteries. So if you want to store these, you got to take the batteries out. This is the 50th anniversary model. Special edition. They had the regular 50th anniversary, was a motorhome, which I bought that, but I never bought the special edition in 214. That's the truck. It's an old tanker. That's how the Hess trucks used to be, yellow with green. And it's got a little mini tanker inside here. These sold for $45.99 each at Hess. Free shipping. They are selling them now for $70 to $150. And I seen one for $220 for this truck. So I got this free shipping. I paid $55 for it. So if you take the $10 for shipping, I paid $45. So I got it for what it cost. And $10 shipping. So I got these for $55. They were selling them for, I think, $60 or $65, the seller. And I messaged him. I wanted to know if I could get two of them and for that $55 price. And he agreed. So he sent me two of them. Here's the other one. Same box. So I'm going to give one for a gift. So check out eBay. You can get some good deals on here. This is a nice little truck. So that's what we got from eBay. Some Hess 214 special 50th anniversary edition.